Small parts machining is a service performed in the manufacturing industry that involves the production of small, intricate parts using specialized machinery and techniques. This service is essential for the production of a wide range of products, including medical devices, electronics, aerospace components, and automotive parts. Small parts machining requires a high level of precision and accuracy, as even the slightest deviation from the required specifications can result in product failure or malfunction. The process of small parts machining involves the use of computer-aided design (CAD) software to create a 3D model of the part to be produced. This model is then used to program the CNC, computer numerical control, machine, which uses a variety of cutting tools to shape the raw material into the desired shape. The raw material used for small parts machining can vary depending on the specific requirements of the part, but commonly used materials include metals, plastics, and composites. Berkness Company is a manufacturing company that specializes in the production of custom parts and components for a wide range of industries. With over 50 years of experience in the industry, Berkness Company has developed a reputation for delivering high-quality products that meet the exact specifications of their clients. The company offers a range of services, including small parts machining, which is essential for the production of many of the products they manufacture. If you are interested in learning more about small parts machining or any of the other services offered by Berkness Company, you can visit the Contact Us page on their website. Here, you can fill out a form to request more information or schedule a consultation with one of their experts. With their extensive experience and commitment to quality, Berkness Company is the ideal partner for any manufacturing project that requires small parts machining or other specialized services. FAQs. 1. What is small parts machining? Small parts machining is a manufacturing process that involves the production of small, intricate parts using specialized equipment and techniques. This process is commonly used in industries such as aerospace, medical, and electronics, where precision and accuracy are critical. 2. What are the benefits of small parts machining? Small parts machining offers several benefits, including high precision and accuracy, faster production times, and the ability to produce complex parts with tight tolerances. Additionally, this process can be used to produce parts from a wide range of materials, including metals, plastics, and composites. 3. What types of equipment are used in small parts machining? Small parts machining requires specialized equipment, including CNC machines, lathes, mills, and grinders. These machines are designed to produce small, intricate parts with high precision and accuracy. Additionally, advanced software and programming tools are used to control the machines and ensure consistent quality and performance. For more information, contact Berkness Company today.